so great to partner with an organisation like FESPA to do an open house. It gives the industry a chance to showcase what's new and what's happening in the industry.
I'd love to see the range of Durst products. They've got some really cool equipment and software.
Just see all of the latest Durst technology and the colours which are actually coming out of the new machines, as well as the accuracy. They look fantastic, the size and the new technology which Durst incorporate.
Yeah, and it's just fantastic to see some of the new gear, the new Durst machine, which is a fantastic piece of equipment.
We've been looking at the flatbed printers today. It's very impressive, yeah.
You know the P5 works and you can get it in so many different variants. They've just done the right thing by it. The machines just run. Durst sells itself, really.